Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon or good evening from wherever you may be watching this video from. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Cherono Kemei and thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and ensure that you leave the notification bell on so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first one to watch. So welcome, let me know what you think about today's video. We are doing the barber at home. Here we don't go to barber shop, we just do everything at home. Let me know if you are seeing this video for the first time. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about today's video down below. Ensure that you like this video and feel free to share. Welcome guys. So we are using the razor blade to shave the hair. We do it traditionally here. There is one kinyozi or barber shop here, but they trust what they do themselves, especially the mothers. They are very careful here for their kids, so they prefer to use this razor to shave the hair, because they are doing it themselves. So they ensures that it is well kept. You can see how the dish is doing it slowly and gently. Sometimes at the barber shop they don't clean the machine very well, that's why they are scared. So they love their children and they prefer to do this themselves because it is very safe for the kids. At the barber shop at times they don't clean that machine well, especially maybe at times they don't have the spirits. The spirits remove all the germs and kills all the germs.